Launch your Telegram wallet this way. Go to the tap on the three icon at the right corner of your left corner of your Telegram, the three line there. Tap on it, then tap on your settings. Okay, let me tap on my settings. So on your settings now, you can see we'll have chat settings. On chat setting, you can see the messages, the chat that you deleted here. Okay, you can also see it in your privacy and security. You can also see it there. You can see deleted messages and all that. But if you want to back up your messages, what you have to do is to go to data and storage. On data and storage, if you have a deleted message, if this toggle save to gallery, automatic save to gallery, if you on the toggle of private chat, group and channel, these three toggles, if they are being turned off, it simply means that any of your deleted messages will be saved on a private chat, will be saved in the group and also in the channel. It will be saved to your gallery. Any of these, your private chat, your group and channel in the Telegram wallet, any of them that you delete, the chat that you delete will be saved to your gallery. So you can also, this, if you scroll down, you see delete all cloud drafts. It simply means that all your pictures that you deleted, that Telegram save it as a cloud draft, so you can see it here. But if by any chance you do not turn this toggle on while deleting those chats, the best way to get them back is this. You have to go out from your Telegram wallet, go to any of your browser. I'll be using Chrome, so let me see. So the next thing you have to do here is to type in Telegram support. Telegram support. So tap on Telegram support. So please, you have to be polite with your text, and on this box you're going to write a text. Say, please, I want to recover my deleted chats. Okay, you can enter the Gmail that you use and register the Telegram account, and also your phone number that is registered to that particular Telegram account. Then after that, you submit it. Telegram will give you a response to what your demand, and it's going to reflect on your Gmail account. So that is it on how to recover your deleted chat on Telegram wallet. So guys, if this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video like this. Thanks for watching.